Mary, we have a big problem right now.
What happened?
A guest is at the front desk. She has a booking confirmation, but her name is not in our system.
What? Let me see.
Here, look. She booked on a third-party website, not on our website.
Oh no, I see the problem.
She is very angry. She traveled 3 hours to get here.
Okay, stay calm. What is her name?
Sandra Mills. Room for 2 nights. Check-in today.
Let me check the system again. Sometimes the name comes in differently.
Okay. Hurry, please. She is waiting at the desk.
I see a reservation. Sandra M. It is here, but the room type is wrong.
Wrong? What do you mean?
She booked a standard room online, but the website sent us a different code. The system shows a suite.
A suite? We only have 1 suite, and it is already taken.
I know. This is the problem with that website. It happens sometimes.
So what do? We cannot tell her there is no room.
No, we cannot. Let me call the manager.
Please be fast. She is not happy.
Yes, I know. Hello, Mr. Davis. This is Mary at the front desk. We have a situation. A guest has a booking from a third-party site. The room code is wrong in our system. We need a solution now.
What did he say?
He says to move her to room 204. It is a standard room, clean and ready.
But she is still angry about the wait.
I know. We give her a small upgrade. Breakfast included, 2 mornings free.
Good idea. That helps a lot.
Come with me. Let me talk to her.
Okay.
Miss Mills, I am so sorry for the wait. We had a small issue with the booking system, but everything is ready for you now.
We have a beautiful room for you. Room 204. Very quiet.
And we would like to offer you breakfast, both mornings, complimentary, our way to say sorry.
Is that okay for you?
We want your stay to be very comfortable.
She is smiling now.
Good. Always find a solution. Never say, I don't know, and stop there.
I learned something today.
Me too. Always check the booking source. Third-party sites can send wrong codes.
I will remember that.
Great. Now let us help the next guest.